Burgers?
Last week, thanks.
Avoiding foods due to fear of diarrhea, gas, bloating, stomach pain, or loose oily stool? It may not be just stomach issues. It could be EPI, or exocrine pancreatic insufficiency. EPI can cause uncomfortable because it's a condition where the pancreas doesn't release enough digestive enzymes to break down food. But EPI can be EPI.com and talk to your doctor about your symptoms. That's identifyepi.com. Sponsored by AbbVie.
Attention Bay Area, if you've ever thought about going solar, you must go solar right now. The benefits are about to change. Time is running out, but it's not too late. You can go solar right now with Semper Solaris with no money out of pocket and no payments until 2024. Imagine having no electric bill and no payment for all of next year. Keep your money in your pocket and go solar American style with Semper Solaris. Protect your family from skyrocketing electric bills. You must act today. Call 415-354-2969. That's 415-354-2969. Semper Solaris is local and veteran-owned, so they'll get the job done with esprit de corps and honor. Tesla Powerwall and Enphase batteries are in stock. Grab tax credit, $500 downloadable coupon, $500 off for military and first responders. Plus, 0 down, 0% interest, and 0 payments until 2024. For all offers, call 415-354-2969 or visit sempersolaris.com. 23, CSLP number 978-152. Cashback is not available on gas in New Jersey, Wisconsin.
Hey, good morning. You're heading to the airport, right?
Yep, thanks for checking. I like the car. How long have you been a rideshare driver?
About 3 years now. I really enjoy it.
Isn't it hard to make money these days with the price of gas being so high?
Not a free app that gives you cash back for every gallon of gas you buy.
Wait a minute. Are you saying you actually get real money back when you get gas with the Upside app?
Yep, I get real cash back every time I get gas.
Does that actually add up?
$200 to $300.
Wow, that's serious extra cash. I'm downloading the Upside app now.
Download the free Upside app now for real cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code for 25 cents a gallon bonus on your first tank. You can cash out anytime right to your bank account, PayPal, or a gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code WIN for a 25 cents a gallon bonus. That's code WIN. This is for all you guys on Viagra. ED pills are no longer needed. The brutal side effects like 4-hour headache, blurred vision, and feeling can all be put behind you with our treatment. Here at West Coast Men's Health, we have a therapy creates blood flow circulation by safely removing the plaque in your arteries and restore. Guys, let me be clear. Pills will never fix your problem. Our equipment is the latest technology, and our medical staff is the best in the industry. And right now, we're offering a free treatment just for coming in. That's right. You can try this treatment at no cost. If you suffer from ED or Peyronie's disease, give West Coast Men's Health a call today. It's not just about better health, it's about a better life.
With clinics in San Mateo and Sacramento, call 650-649-7944. That's 650-649-7944. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
Social distancing slows the spread of coronavirus. So if you have a fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath, call your healthcare provider before going in. More info at coronavirus.gov. Let's all do our part, because we're all #AloneTogether. Brought to you by the Ad Council.
Now back to Sean Hannity on Talk Radio 560 KSFO. Be sure to check in as soon as you get to your car after work for breaking information you need to know about. This is the Sean Hannity Show.
All right, 25 to the top of the hour. We'll get right back to the news of the day in a second. I love our new advertiser, Preborn, and I'll tell you why. They're not connected in any way. They take no taxpayer dollars, and they're saving, through science, 150 babies' lives a day. They're using the science of ultrasound, which has improved dramatically over the years. I mean, and what they do is if there is a woman that is pregnant considering abortion, well, they give them a free ultrasound. Free. Only it costs $28 for each one. And what they're finding is, especially with 4D ultrasound these days, when they see fingers and toes and facial features and hear the heartbeat, that the majority of time people that might have been considering abortion and choosing life. And then they stay with the person, if they need any support, any counseling, help them there. If they need diapers and baby formula, whatever the healthcare assistance, they do that for 2 years after the baby's born. But they're completely dependent on you and the pro-life community in the country. No government money at all. For $28, you can pay for 1 ultrasound. For $40, you can pay for 5. 100% of your donation goes towards saving babies. Their goal is to save $100,000 a year. That's a big goal. I support them. They're doing great work. I'm going to contribute. I hope you will too. Anyway, pound. One time on this document issue here. I love when I read this today. This is pretty interesting here. A Rasmussen poll indicated 56% of respondents would rather have a partial government shutdown, because it's always partial.